how to reupholster sun visors for 79 Trans Am. So we cut out the cardboard, we wrap the vinyl around it. This is the design. These are going on this 79 Trans Am that we did the Komodo pattern for. And this pattern is going to be stitched into the visor. Once we stitch it in there, we fold it over. There's your visor, and inside there goes the cardboard and the mechanism. So let's get started. Here's the pattern we put in the doors, and the same pattern we have in the seats. So we're going to lay that pattern out somehow on these visors. I got to get the scale right, then we'll stitch it in. All right, here's the pattern stitched into it, and we're going to stitch this one next. And then after we stitch it, we can fold it over and we can sew it into a visor. All right, here's the final design for the visors. Got the Komodo pattern design. It turned out really good.